We've invested over $700,000 in new Mechatronics equipment, making this program, the Genesee Valley BOCES Batavia campus, the #1 program in New York State for high school kids. So this is an incredible opportunity for students that are in 11th and 12th grade to take the best program in New York State.
The Amatrol people have created lab equipment. Amatrol has done a tremendous job in creating the lab experience, step-by-step task analysis of how to get from a very beginner to the most experienced person to be able to get them out there and job ready right off the bat.
The opportunity that we have to scale up is incredible. When we integrate the equipment that we have here, it's the same equipment that we have at MCC, the same equipment we have at the Northland Training Center. So when we're looking to scale up, we're going to be able to do it consistently and effectively with our partners.